This little one is Lava. And Lava loves her Snuffles. Snuffles are these adorable little squeaker chips. This is print practical, and we're going to come up with a better way of launching these into the other room.
Come on, man, slingshot it!
Snuffles Slingshot test run.
Slingshot engaged.
All right.
Jesus.
1981. It's to say. On the night of the murders, the Smart family had a man named Bobo Betty staying with them on
Really?
30 basis.
Nothing.
Marty and Bobo
What a waste of time.
were spotted a few weeks earlier at the VA hospital.
This slingshot performs poorly. It took me about 5 minutes to design, and that really shows. There's a few different flaws with it. One, I only put these 2 mounting holes on the side, which allows the pocket to spin. This is a big problem when you go to launch the Snuffle. You pull it back, and if you let go a little unevenly, or if it's not perfectly in line, the pocket spins around the item as it flies by and it goes nowhere. So that's a big flaw. Also, household rubber bands, they just break too often. So, you know, I really only took 5 minutes to design this, but you learn a few things from that, and then you can improve on your next design. So that's it. If you want me to improve this design, I can make a video of me doing a V2, or if you can think of anything else you want me to design, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.